I've been struggling for a couple of years now on exactly how to organize my daughter's hair stuff. I've tried a few different things with her, and yet I still feel like we struggle to maintain the initial organization system I set up, which usually is an indication that something is wrong. She's got a relatively small room. I really didn't want to add more furniture, so I thought I would give this a try instead, especially since I'm taking my own advice here, which is to use your vertical space. And not only does this use the vertical space, but it's also going to be completely hidden inside her closet, which I love, because that way, even if it doesn't stay perfectly organized, I don't have to see it every day. This one was really easy to put together. All you need was a screwdriver, and then it literally pops on the door. Once I had put together and it was up, I enlisted my daughter to help me go through, organize, and declutter all of her hair stuff. It can be really helpful to involve your kids when you're organizing their stuff, because this way I was able to make sure the heights of everything was right, and the stuff she used most often was right on the bottom, and she was able to access everything. Did it take longer than it would have if I had done it alone? It absolutely did. But she had a role in it, and now this was filmed a month ago, and it still looks like this to this day. She can see it, she can reach it, she can find everything easily and put it back, and that's a win.